Hello, style lovers, and welcome to I Like in London. This is Petra coming to you right here from the heart of London. Today, we will talk about looking stylish on your holidays. Yes, it's the loveliest time of the year. The summer has just started, and we're all dreaming, planning, booking, and making arrangements. So, we will see all the things we need in order to look and feel great during our summer holidays. Our video today is dedicated to visiting Mediterranean countries like Greece, Spain, Italy, and everything you need in your luggage when going there. We will not talk only about fashion, but also we will talk about a few important things you will need there in order to have a carefree vacation. For more videos like this and style-loving material, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We've got more amazing things coming up. So, let's go! So, summer in a Mediterranean country. Hot. Very, very hot. So let's begin with the wardrobe because here in Elocare we love style. Forget about dark clothing during the day. Forget about too tight outfits, they will suffocate you. And forget about heavy fabrics. You want to put your focus on light and airy garments that allow the air to move around you and your body. Let's play a game. Close your eyes for a moment and think of a Greek goddess dress. Sound familiar? This is a great point of reference for you in order to choose a few outfits and especially dresses that will keep you cool and stylish. The variety that you can choose from is huge, and traditionally, these dresses are made with soft and light fabrics. My favorite are cotton and linen that always look simple and elegant. There are short options, midi and maxi, and depending on the occasion and the destination, you can combine them with beautiful flat sandals in complementary colors. For the evening, you may want to wear heels. However, keep in mind that in a lot of destinations around the Mediterranean, the streets are made with cobblestone, which means that heels are out of the question. Besides, when we go on holidays, it's so much better to dress in a relaxed and bohemian way and come closer to nature rather than wear uncomfortable outfits and not enjoy ourselves. Speaking of bohemian, a boho chic outfit for traveling needs a couple of extra more touches. First of all, a hat. In warm countries and under the hot sun, you will need the protection of a beautiful wide-brimmed hat that will make you look 10 times more elegant and sophisticated. Don't hesitate to choose something large when you wear dresses and skirts and stick to bright colors. I know that black looks very chic, but it will make you warmer. And the second super important accessory is a straw bag. You know them, or those beautiful super summery bags made with woven straws. They're usually beige and brown, and when you look at them, you think, summer. Again, plenty of options to choose from, crossbody ones, shoulder bag, even beach bags. If you want yours to look a bit more sophisticated and maybe expensive, choose a two-colored option and you will not regret it. Now, going back to garments, I do have to recommend you to get a few separates with you in colors that are easy to mix and match. Stick to neutrals like beige, cream, tan brown, khaki, and of course, white. They can be easily matched, so you don't have to overpack for your holidays. And to avoid overpacking, stick to neutral colors for your shoes and accessories too. Another important thing you have to keep in mind when you go on holidays is the pharmacy kit. Some people take medication in their everyday life, so a pharmacy kit is essential. But except from that, when you travel to a warm country, you may need to consider a container that maintains a certain temperature for your medication. Do your research early enough and you will find a lot of different options according to your needs. Also, and especially if you're traveling with children or elderly people, you will probably need sprays or lotions that protect you from mosquitoes, a well-known fella in warm countries. You will find all the supplies you need in local stores, supermarkets, and pharmacies, but don't hesitate to ask for advice from local people who are familiar with the phenomenon. Except from health, we also have to consider our beauty. Your number one friend for summer holidays anywhere in the world, of course, is your sunscreen for face and body. According to your destination, choose a sunscreen with high SPF to protect your skin and enjoy the warm touch of the sun without feeling guilty. And after the sunbathing, don't forget to apply all the aloe vera moisturizer you possibly can and drink a lot of water so you're fully hydrated inside and out. Now, except from mountains and beaches, you will probably visit a few historical sites and cities. In order to look stylish and be comfortable at the same time, consider bringing sneakers with you that you will combine with a pair of Bermuda shorts or capri pants. And don't forget to watch my video on how to style your capri pants. I will put the link in the description and here or here. For cities, you will probably be more comfortable and safe with a small crossbody bag. Again, the straw bag is a great, elegant, and sophisticated option that will keep your hands free so you can take a lot of photos. Another thing you need to keep in mind when you visit historical sites is that you may need to wear garments that cover a certain amount of your body. Specific sites, churches, and locations have particular requirements when it comes to dress code for both ladies and gentlemen. So be aware and be prepared. It will be a shame for you to lose the opportunity of being inside a historic building, for example, just because your outfit is too revealing for the local traditions. On your holidays, you will probably enjoy a lot of free time. So this is the best occasion for you to read. Don't forget to grab a couple of great books with you and enjoy those peaceful moments on the beach or by the pool or on mountains where you dive into the fascinating novel or biography. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku puzzles, and relevant activities are also nice and relaxed choices for your dreamy Mediterranean holidays. And now for the final checklist. Sunglasses, swimsuits, beach bag with all the essentials, a light jumper, especially if you're visiting towns or villages with a certain altitude. Yes, it gets really chilly in the evening. Passport, skin tone underwear, and phone charger, and a big, big smile full of happiness and gratitude for this beautiful summer. And now it's time for you to join the conversation. Use the comment section below and tell me where you're going for holidays this summer. I'm looking forward to hearing about your plans. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like or share, whatever you prefer, and click that bell button so you will know when a new video is up. I will see you again very, very soon. Kisses from London. Bye.